still echoes in my bloodstream. The map's drawn behind my eyes. Every plan ends in ashes. Every truth learns how to lie. I walk through normal mornings with trenches in my head. The world keeps moving forward. My thoughts march with the dead. Sanity and paranoia blur into the same disease. Every ounce smells like gunpowder. Every calm feels like deceit. I calculate survival like it's kill or be erased. Peace feels like a foreign language I was never taught to speak. I don't rest, I don't reset. Every thought is a loaded threat. These are war thoughts clashing in my brain. No shots fired, still nothing feels the same. These are war thoughts, no flag, no uniform. I fight decisions every night, long after the war is gone. I measure trust in seconds. I scan rooms like hostile land. Every silence feels tactical. Every handshake shakes my hand. I don't dream about tomorrow. I rehearse what went wrong. My mind keeps writing battle plans to wars that don't belong. I don't choose or react. Every memory attack. These are war thoughts digging in my skull. No enemy, still my head is full. These are war thoughts, no victory, no defeat. Just endless mental combat on repeat. The war didn't follow me home. It never left my skin. I don't think like a civilian. I think like I'm still in. Assess, engage, survive the day. These are war thoughts burned into my name. No battlefield, still I play the same game. These are war thoughts, I never stood down. The war moved into my mind and never backed down. No bombs, no blood.